Where is Kevin going? It looks like Kevin is going scuba diving. Kevin, you cannot go scuba diving in those clothes. You need different clothes. Let's start with your shoes. What shoes can Kevin wear? These shoes or those shoes? Not those shoes, Kevin. Those are high heels. You wear them for parties. You need the flippers. Much better. Those flippers are perfect for scuba diving. But you cannot wear those pants. What pants can Kevin wear? These pants or those pants? Yes, those pants. Well done, Kevin. You're almost ready to go scuba diving, but you need a different top. What top can Kevin wear? This top or that top? Not that top, Kevin. It is a nice top, but not for scuba diving. You need the other top. Yes, that is perfect. What's next? You need to cover your hair. What can Kevin wear to cover his hair? This cap or that hat? Kevin, you cannot swim in that hat. That's right. The swimming cap is the best option. Okay, I think you're ready. No, wait. Where are your goggles? Fantastic. Now, Kevin is ready to go scuba diving. Have fun, Kevin. Oh no, what's that noise? It sounds like a storm. You cannot go scuba diving in this weather, Kevin. What is the best thing to do on a stormy day? Yes! Reading is perfect for a stormy day. Enjoy your book, Kevin. Goodbye.